on the Westside campus of Western Connecticut State University. WestConn Wolves Baseball. Swing and a miss. He struck him out.
Well, it's midnight, them rival wound up too tight. I got a fist full of whiskey, the bottle just bit me. Oh, that makes me bat crazy.
Anfield fires away.
No doubt all in balls out. We're going up tonight to kick out every night, take anything we want, drink everything inside. We're going till the world stops turning while we burn it to the ground at night.
Number 23, Nicola Bonover will hit cleanup.
We're screaming like demons and swinging from
And
the
here he
ceiling.
rips one.
I got a fist full of 50s, tequila just hit me. Oh, we got no class, no taste, no shirt and shit-faced. We got 'em lined up, shot
Long
down,
throw.
firing back straight
Got
crowd.
him.
We're going up tonight to kick out every light, take
He up in the double.
drink everything inside. We're going till the world stops turning while we burn it to the ground at night.
This has been WestConn Wolves Baseball.